My name is Anna Brand. I am a Land Use Policy Officer with RSPB Scotland. Food is not a public good. It is obviously a necessity for us to survive, but there is a commodity market that is developed for farmers to earn money from producing food. So in the market, obviously, they get paid for whatever food they produce from us or from anyone as consumers. So that doesn't mean that there aren't inefficiencies and unfairnesses in that system, and it doesn't mean that a lot of farmers aren't struggling, because they are, and we fully recognize that. But it does mean that public money should not be paid directly for producing food. Instead, public money should be paid for the public goods, the things that cannot be paid for within the traditional market economy, things like carbon sequestration and things like biodiversity habitat and pollination and things like that. So future public money should essentially be creating a market for these kinds of goods that don't otherwise have any kind of way of being paid for. So we also know that this is how the public feel, and a survey of 1,000 people showed that 77% of people would like to see land managers, any support given to land managers, be conditional on supporting the environment and making sure we help climate change mitigation. So that should be the focus of any future policy. But then we also need to help to correct some of the unfairness and inefficiencies in the food system, for example, by shorter supply chains or access to processing infrastructure, making sure that everyone can access markets on a level playing field and things like that. And then finally, to make this what is quite a big transition, we need to have a robust advisory service which makes sure that everyone is able to join in this transition, and to make sure that we implement this with the best practice that we have.